Now imagine someone sitting by your side right now who knows almost everything in the world, and you can just ask a question regarding anything that you want and it will just tell you the answer. How cool is that? This is how ChatGPT works. The world is changing really fast, and artificial intelligence is getting incorporated into our daily lives more than we ever thought that it would. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 5 AI-based websites which are going to help students and creative people. The first website on our list is called Adobe Enhance. For people who are content creators and they don't have any expensive mic or a studio to cancel out the background noises coming from the car on their street, or maybe people living in their house or people living in their building, this website is going to be gold for them. You just have to record usually, like you always do with your usual mic, and then you have to upload that audio file on this Adobe Enhance website, just like I am doing right now. Once you are done uploading, this website will enhance your audio and will remove almost every background noise from your audio file, and then it will be ready for the download. Sometimes it takes time to process and enhance your audio, but that's okay because the results are astonishing to the point that you might think that you don't really need a mic anymore. Also, sometimes this website glitches on Google Chrome, so if you face this problem, just use an alternate browser and you will be done. This website is free to use as of now. You just have to sign up using your Adobe account and then you can get started. And now I'm attaching a sample audio for you guys to see that how this website works. Feel free to listen to it. Here's the sample of my audio which I am going to enhance using Adobe. Here's the sample of my audio which I am going to enhance using Adobe. The second website on our list is called Mubert. If you're a content creator or a student who always needs copyright music for the content you create online or for the projects you receive from your school, this website is gonna come really handy for you. You just have to go on mubert.com and then you have to enter in the prompt what kind of music you are looking for. You can just type in slow, peaceful music, lo-fi music, or you can just select from the list of the genres which are available. And there is a long list for that, so you don't have any problem in choosing what kind of music you're looking for. And then you have to type in the duration of the music you want. Once you are done doing that, you can tap on generate track, and then Mubert.com will generate a copyright-free track for you to download and use in your YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, podcasts, personal projects, and more. Mubert.com provides 3 types of plans, and under the free plan, you are free to download the music and use it in your YouTube videos and other content that you create. But please note that you have to attribute this website and let people know that you are getting the music from Mubert.com. Along with this, the site prompts you to mention the social media platform you're using their music at and your social media profile link. This makes things easier because then it will provide you with a link that you can mention along with your content, and it makes sure that you never get any sort of copyright claim. Also, please note that in any kind of plan, even if it is a premium one, you are not allowed to resell this music to any sort of music streaming platform or to music stock website. All in all, this website really saves your time and creates copyright-free tracks for you within seconds, which you can use in your content creation or the projects that you are working on. Please feel free to check out the terms and conditions according to the plan that you are using of Mubert.com. The third website on our list is called Talk to Books, and it's literally what the name says. Have you ever thought that how good it would be if you could just ask any question to the books and they will just answer it for you? Now this is what this website does. Just go on the website and then in the search bar type in any question that you want to ask to all of the books that are there in the world, or at least in the online world. So we go to this website and in the search bar where it says say something to books, you just have to type in your question. My question will be, how do we let go of our past? You can also ask much more academic questions like what is quantum entanglement or how to be successful, which falls much more on the self-help side. But whenever you are done asking whatever you want to ask, it will show you results like this, which is what different books across the online world think about the question that you just asked. And that is beautiful because this way you are just talking to books, you are getting to know what different books think about the question that you have just asked. And I find it really, really useful. It is useful for people who love books and people who think really deep and they have philosophical questions in their mind, and people who are students and they want to have answers to their academic questions and want to know what the different books have to say about that particular question of theirs. And this website is free to use. Plus, next time you have a particular question in your mind that you want to ask to a certain book and you don't know what that book is going to be, you can just put in your question here, find the suggestions of the books that have answers to that particular question, and you can dig deeper in that book, which is great. And here is a sample of interesting questions which other people have asked to talk to books, and you can just go through them and see what books have to say. The next website on our list is called Copy.ai, which is an amazing artificial intelligence based website for students so that they can learn, and for content creators so that they can grow. So the first thing that we will take a look on this website is social media tools, because this is the first thing which content creators these days need. And then we have different categories in it. Let's take a look at hashtag generator. So when we are creating posts on Instagram, there are a lot of times we don't know the kind of hashtags we should be using with our post. So in that case, we will come on this website, tap on hashtag generator, then tell the Copy.ai about the type of post we are going to use. And once we are done doing that, it will just give us a set of hashtags that we will apply in our caption, and we'll be just done. We don't have to think twice that should I be using this hashtag or not, or what sort of hashtag should I be using even in the first place. This website solves it all. Now let's take a look at creating Instagram captions. So a lot of times we don't even know what to type in our captions. So let's say our post is about coffee and working in a cafe. And now this Copy.ai will generate a short caption for us to type in. And we just have to copy and paste it on our Instagram. And this website has so many crazy tools that it's even hard to count them all in just this one single video. For example, if you have a YouTube channel and you don't know what to create next, you can find crazy YouTube ideas here. And in case you have already created a YouTube video and you don't know what kind of title you should be using for your video, then you can find title ideas here. And in case you have a blog and you don't know what sort of blog post you should be creating, you can have blog post ideas here. And if you have a website, you can find ideas for landing page here. And let's see how the blog ideas tool works. So let's put product or brand name here. So for example, if you are creating a blog post for a particular brand, then you can type in the brand name here, and then it will create a list of ideas regarding that particular brand. Isn't that cool? See, does working in coffee shops increases productivity? How to become a barista in Starbucks, or working at Starbucks, 5 ways to succeed working at Starbucks. So there are like so many ideas here. And we have writing tools as well here for students. So if you're a student, you can create essays in here, essays intro, essays outline, stories, and you can also convert from passive to active voice. And you can also use analogy generator. So you can put analogies in here, coffee and working in a cafe, and it will just give you ideas. And this is how it's done. It just makes life really easy. And you can also create bullet points to a paragraph. So let's say that I have an essay topic in my mind, and the main point of the paragraph is coffee and working in a cafe, and it can give me some key points which I can use while writing my essay, and some information which will come in really handy for me while I'm doing my work. And also this Copy.ai has a premium version of their website as well, which you can pay for, but according to me, the free version works good enough. The fifth website on our list is Quillbot, which is an AI-based tool for people who create written content and for students who need help writing their essay or correcting their paragraphs. So in that case, you just have to come on this website, copy the content wherever you have written it, and paste it in the dialog on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, you can see a rephrased or a re-enhanced version of that text. You can also tap on a particular word and replace it with its synonym in case the other word looks much more beautiful and suitable for your paragraph. And you can also change the tone of your text. You can change it from standard to fluency to formal, simple, creative, expanded, and shortened, Although only the standard and the fluency tone is free to use, rest then you have to go for the premium version of this website. Although the free version is enough for a regular person, I mean you get to rephrase and reevaluate your essays and paragraphs, and you get to replace the dull words with better looking and better sounding synonyms. In case you go for the premium version, if you want to, you also get access to scan for plagiarism, and you also get to unlock the different modes for your paragraphs. You can change the tones for it in case you shorten it and more, and all these features that you can see on your screen right now. And if you are a writer, this can do much more, because Quillbot can also become your co-writer. It can help you research, it can help you write, it can help you enhance, it can help you fix grammatical errors, and it can help you search the web regarding a particular paragraph that you have highlighted, and will give you analytics regarding the piece of writing that you have written. For example, if I am highlighting this particular part on a text, then it will just give me a shortened summary of the part that I've highlighted, just so that I don't have to read all of it. Coming on to the sixth and the bonus website of this video, which is called ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's one of my most favorites AI-based websites, and I love using it. Now imagine someone sitting by your side right now who knows almost everything in the world, and you can just ask a question regarding anything that you want, and it will just tell you the answer. How cool is that? This is how ChatGPT works. So with ChatGPT, you can ask questions as tough as what is quantum computing to as simple as any ideas for a 10-year-old birthday. And this platform also has capabilities to answer follow-up questions and also remember the conversations you had with it earlier. And also it has the capability to refuse to answer age-inappropriate questions, which is great, because if it didn't have any, then it will be just very messed up AI tool to use. And now let's just start using it. My first question is going to be, what is quantum entanglement? Now I'm not speeding this video up. This is how the answers come up on the screen. They're like tick 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 tick, like a typewriter, which I think is really cool because it's just a beginner AI tool for people to use, and it just kind of depicts that. And sometimes it's just slow to type all this information, but that is okay. I kind of love it. And now let's just ask some other question. When did COVID-19 begin in the world? I'm only asking questions which were pre-2021 because this AI model is not equipped to have a lot of information about the world post-2021, because I think it was designed before that. And let's ask another question. Will human face more pandemic in future? So I would say the answers that I got to my questions were like very appropriate, and I love using this platform so much. Do check it out. So guys, that was it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below which AI-based website was your favorite. Mine was ChatGPT, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like and comment for the next part. Bye!